What if I told you your eyesight could be silently deteriorating and you're completely unaware of it? These 9 strange signs might shock you, but they could save your vision. Stay with me, because number 7 is a warning most people ignore, and it could cost you your sight. Starting from weird sign 1, frequent headaches, especially in the afternoon or after reading. Have you ever noticed a dull ache creeping up your forehead after reading or working on something up close? This could be more than just stress. It's often a sign of uncorrected vision problems. When your eyes struggle to focus, they work overtime, straining muscles that aren't meant for such heavy lifting. This strain builds up throughout the day, and by the afternoon, your body can't handle it anymore. Reading, staring at a screen, or even doing detailed crafts can force your eyes into this constant fight mode. Over time, the tension doesn't just stay in your eyes, it radiates, triggering headaches that can throb across your temples or behind your eyes. Don't ignore this. Headaches linked to eye strain may mean you need a new prescription or even have an undiagnosed issue like astigmatism. A simple eye exam could save you from a lot of unnecessary pain and protect your vision long term. Weird sign 2. Neck or shoulder pain. Do you find yourself with nagging neck or shoulder pain even when you haven't done any heavy lifting? This discomfort could actually be connected to your eyesight. When your vision isn't clear, your body naturally compensates. You may lean forward, tilt your head, or crane your neck without even realizing it, all in an effort to see better. Over time, this awkward posture puts strain on your neck, shoulders, and even your upper back. It's your body's way of saying something isn't right. Poor lighting, prolonged screen use, or trying to focus on small details can make things worse, especially if you're already dealing with vision problems like presbyopia or astigmatism. Ignoring this pain doesn't just affect your comfort, it can lead to chronic tension and stiffness. A proper pair of glasses or updated prescription could be the simple solution, helping your posture and reducing unnecessary strain on your body. Weird sign 3. Squinting or blinking more often. Do you find yourself squinting or blinking frequently, especially when trying to read something far away or up close? This behavior may seem harmless, but it's often a clear indicator that your eyesight is struggling. Squinting is your body's instinctive way of sharpening blurry vision. By narrowing your eyelids, you reduce the amount of light entering your eyes and temporarily improve focus. This trick works because it decreases the size of the blurred image on your retina, giving your eyes a brief moment of clarity. But while it might help in the moment, it's not a long-term fix. Frequent blinking can also be your eye's way of coping with dryness or strain, both of which are common when your vision isn't functioning as it should. These habits may seem minor, but they could be signaling bigger issues like nearsightedness, farsightedness, or even early cataracts. A quick trip to the eye doctor can clarify what's really going on and get you the help you need. Weird sign 4. Seeing halos around lights at night. Have you ever noticed glowing circles or halos around lights when you're driving at night or walking in dimly lit areas? This might seem like a small annoyance, but it can actually be a warning sign of vision problems that shouldn't be ignored. Halos often occur when light entering your eyes gets scattered instead of focusing properly on the retina. This scattering can be caused by cataracts, which cloud the lens of your eye, or astigmatism, where the shape of your cornea isn't perfectly round. Both conditions distort how light travels through your eyes, creating that glowing, halo-like effect. Nighttime halos can make it harder to see clearly in low-light conditions, posing risks, especially when driving. It's more than just a nuisance, it could mean your vision is declining. If you're experiencing this, don't wait. A thorough eye exam can determine the cause and offer solutions, from glasses to surgery, to keep your vision safe and clear. Weird sign 5. Difficulty adjusting to changes in light. Do you find it hard to adjust when moving from bright sunlight into a dim room or vice versa? This slow transition isn't just frustrating, it could be a sign of underlying vision issues. As we age, the muscles in our eyes responsible for controlling the size of the pupil, your eye's natural aperture, become less efficient. The result? Your pupils take longer to widen or shrink, delaying your ability to adapt to changes in light. This can make you feel momentarily blinded when walking indoors after being in bright sunlight or struggling to see clearly when headlights hit you at night. Beyond aging, This symptom can signal retinal issues, such as early macular degeneration, which affects your central vision, or diabetic retinopathy, which impairs how light-sensitive cells function. It's not something to brush off. Difficulty with light adjustment can compromise daily activities like driving or navigating dim spaces. If this sounds familiar, it's a good idea to consult an eye doctor for a full retinal checkup and advice on protecting your vision. Weird sign 6. Double vision. Seeing double? It's more than a quirky optical illusion. It could be your eyes signaling trouble. Double vision, or diplopia, occurs when your eyes struggle to work together, leading to overlapping or side-by-side images. This strange phenomenon often points to deeper issues. One common cause is muscle imbalances in your eyes. The muscles that help your eyes align and focus might weaken over time, especially as you age. Conditions like strabismus or nerve damage can disrupt proper coordination, resulting in double vision. Another possible culprit? Early cataracts. As the lens of your eye starts to cloud, light entering your eye can scatter, creating overlapping images. Cataracts are particularly common in people over 60, so catching this early is key. Double vision can also hint at other serious conditions, like diabetes or neurological issues. If you're experiencing this, don't wait. Schedule an eye exam. Early diagnosis can lead to effective treatments, protecting both your sight and overall health. Weird sign 7. Rubbing your eyes frequently. Do you find yourself rubbing your eyes multiple times a day? While it may seem like a harmless habit, frequent eye rubbing could be your body's way of telling you something isn't right. Eye fatigue is one of the most common reasons people rub their eyes. When your eyes are overworked from reading, staring at screens, or even driving, they can become strained and uncomfortable. This leads to an instinctive urge to rub them for relief. However, this can temporarily mask an underlying issue like uncorrected vision problems. Dry eyes are another common cause. As we age, our eyes naturally produce fewer tears, leading to irritation and that gritty, itchy feeling. Environmental factors like air conditioning or heating can make dryness worse. But dry eyes can also be linked to conditions like blepharitis, allergies, or even early signs of autoimmune diseases. If rubbing your eyes has become a frequent habit, it's worth getting checked. Proper treatment, whether it's lubricating eye drops, better screen habits, or addressing a deeper issue, can prevent further discomfort and protect your vision. Weird sign 8. Sitting too close to screens or holding books too near. Do you find yourself leaning closer to the TV or holding books right up to your face to read? This common habit isn't just about comfort. It could be a sign of a vision issue like nearsightedness or farsightedness. When you're nearsighted, distant objects appear blurry. To compensate, you instinctively bring things closer, where your eyes can focus more easily. This often shows up when watching TV, working on a computer, or reading small print. On the flip side, if you're farsighted, nearby objects may be the problem, and you might hold them at an awkward angle to see clearly. Sitting too close or holding items near your face puts extra strain on your eyes, which can lead to fatigue, headaches, and even further decline in vision over time. It's not just about convenience, it's a red flag your eyes need help. Don't dismiss this habit as a quirk. A proper eye exam can pinpoint whether you need glasses, an updated prescription, or even a check for conditions like astigmatism. Early intervention can make a world of difference in your daily life. Weird sign 9. Skipping steps or bumping into things. Have you been tripping over steps or bumping into furniture more often lately? It might feel like clumsiness, but it could actually be a warning sign of peripheral vision loss, a condition you might not even notice at first. Peripheral vision allows you to see what's happening on the sides without turning your head. When it starts to deteriorate, you may misjudge distances, fail to notice obstacles, or find it harder to navigate in crowded spaces. One of the leading causes of peripheral vision loss is glaucoma, a condition where increased pressure inside the eye damages the optic nerve. If left untreated, glaucoma can lead to irreversible vision loss, often starting at the edges and working inward. Peripheral vision loss can also result from retinal issues, strokes, or even neurological problems. If you're stumbling more than usual or feel like your field of view is narrowing, don't wait. A quick test with an eye doctor could detect glaucoma early, and timely treatment can preserve your sight for years to come.